In this lesson, we will discuss Mathematics of Finance, chapter number 5th, question number 2nd. And formula, we will use Sn is equal to P into 1 plus In divided by 100 into M. Sn is the future value. This is the present value. I stands for interest rate and for number of periods. How you have to write down the value of M, I have mentioned here. This is the note for M which we have discussed in the last lesson. Question we have, if 3,500 is invested for 5 years and 2 months at an annual simple interest rate of 7%, the accumulated value of the principal and the interest rate is. Right here I will write down the formula first. The formula we will use, Sn means future value is equal to present value into 1 plus In divided by 100 into M. And here I will write down the data, means P is equal to 3,500 is given, I is 7%, right? M and N I will show you how to find out, and this Sn future value. So M, so here it says see 5 years and 2 months. As I have mentioned here, if number of years and few months are given, so we have to use M is equal to 12 in order to accommodate the months. And why 12? Because there are 12 months in a year. So same thing is here, 5 years and 2 months. It means M is 12, and always you have to find out M first, then move on to N. So here we have 5 years and there are 12 months in a year, right? 12 months in a year, there are 5 years, so 60 months. 12 5 times 60, but we have 2 extra months as well, which is equal to 62. So N is equal to 62. Always you have to find out M first. So now we will put the values here. Sn is required. Our principal amount is 3,500. We are going to invest today for the next 5 years and 2 months at the interest rate of 7%, and for 62 months 100 into 12. So how we will solve this? 3,500, 1 plus multiply 62 multiply by 7, which is equal to 434 divided by 1200. You can take the LCM, but if you do not know how to take the LCM, the simplest way is just divide 435 divided by 1200. You will get 0.36167. And always, as I have told you, whatever is inside the parenthesis you have to do first. So this is the addition, 1 plus this, it will be 1.36167. Now see, there is no sign between this parenthesis and 3,500. It means you have to multiply. When you will multiply, it is 4,765.83, $4,765.83, and this is your accumulated value of principal and interest. This is your answer. If you invest 3,500 today, after 5 years and 2 months at the interest rate of 7%, your worth will be $4,765.83. If it still is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.